Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to both check the versions of and update the Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Google Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side, ay kana mo lang select tong tatlong dots, click mo lang yan. And then next, ay kana mo lang select tong help. So dito sa help ay kana mo lang select tong about Google Chrome. So click mo lang ito. And then mga kaibigan, makita nyo dito na napakabilis lang yung pag-update. So wala ka nang ibang gagawin dito kundi i-click mo lang yung about Google Chrome. Automatic po yan na mag-update. And then ito yung bagong versions ng Google Chrome na versions 119.0.6045.106 official build 64-bit. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-check yung versions at i-update ang Google Chrome. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.